Hello, you want to see how I achieve this fish pie? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm making fish pie. There I have 1250 gram of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of salt. I'll mix and I added my 2 eggs. I'll continue the mixing. Here I'll be adding my 750 gram of room temperature margarine. You can also use butter as well, but I am comfortable using margarine, so I'll mix and mix and mix. So I added my 2 small cup of milk and I'll continue the mixing. So I noticed the dough was still very hard, so I will add the same cup of water. So I'll continue mixing. The dough was still very hard, so I added another cup of water. So now continue molding, continue mixing until the dough combines and comes together like a ball. So here is it. It has come together. I'll set aside and I will start the preparation of the vegetable. Here I have carrots, potato and 2 medium onions. So I'm going to cut them, peel them and cut them. So I'm going to cut them into smaller sizes just like I am doing. So I'll put it to my plate. I'll cut the potato to the same size of the onion. I'm done with the potato. I'll put on my plate too. So I'll continue with the carrot. I'll cut it the same size too. So here I'm done with the preparation of the vegetable. I'll set aside and cut my onion that I will use to boil my fish. So here is my mackerel fish already cleaned and washed. I added my onion, salt, slab of water, garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, salt, white pepper, black pepper. So I'll just stir and cover and cook it until the water is dried. So here I'll remove the fish and I will start adding my vegetable oil and the vegetable. You noticed I didn't add any ingredients, so I'll just cover it and cook it while I debone my fish. So I'm deboning it. When you are doing that, you see tiny bones, just make sure you are picking them out. So I'm just going to debone them properly and I'll mash them until there is no bone in it again. So here is properly deboned. I will add it to my vegetable and I will stir and cover on low heat just for 1 second. So it's ready. I'll just set aside and that is my dough. So I'll show you how I achieve this round shape of this fish pie. So I'll put it and cut it with my cutter. So that is it. I'll just press it and seal it with my fork. Make sure it's properly sealed. You don't want them to pop out when you are baking. So for those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you'll be notified. Feel free to also check others of my videos. So I'll continue the same process and show you the same way I did the first one. I'll cut and I'll press with my fork. So I'll also continue and check the back and see if it is properly sealed. So I did, and it was properly sealed. I'll continue until my pan is filled. So I'll wash it with my egg, and I preheated my oven to 180 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. I will do same to this oven tray. I will pop them to my oven. So here is it after 30 minutes properly baked. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.